Are you doing the 75 hard on YouTube? Let me explain you what it is and what are people following. So 75 hard on YouTube is just posting 75 long form videos every single day for 75 days straight. It's as simple as that. Now once you start this challenge, your YouTube journey or your YouTube account will go from zero or something which is significantly less number of following to something which is phenomenally great. You can see a crazy difference. Now how are people on YouTube doing that? I want to share some examples with you. Also, I would recommend you to watch my previous video because I've given like live examples about it. So as I mentioned, it is for 75 days straight. They pick one format is basically one way in which you communicate in the video. It's no green screen videos, no fancy editing. It's just either a sit down video like this or a vlog format. These videos are really good and work really well in 75 hard because it is easy to create and it does not take too much of a friction to upload on a every single day basis. The next thing is low editing. Again, very minimal and low editing videos are very easy to create, especially if you're doing 75 hard on YouTube. Import your video into a editor, remove the voices like blank voices, then just add captions like this and you're done. The low editing technique. Then easy to understand. Whatever videos you're doing for 75 hard on YouTube should be easy to understand, should not be extremely complex. That will make your viewer to not return on your YouTube channel. And when you're doing these 75 hard, what you need to do is create like like bite-sized pieces of these long form content, so your viewer keeps on coming and coming and coming to your YouTube channel, which can help you to monetize and also build a long-term business if you're looking at that as well. And lastly, raw thumbnails or basic edited thumbnails. What does that basically mean? Everyone on YouTube, if you see, all the thumbnails are so highly edited, too much, like to an extent where it's like insane, like insanity on your eyes, right? So in this situation, what most of the people are doing, I'll try to add some examples over here. They are literally not using any thumbnail. There is a screenshot from a video, and that's it. A very random screenshot from the video in which you're like watching right now. What happens? The eye literally sees that. They're like, oh, all the other 50 thumbnails which I'm seeing are so highly edited. And why is this not edited? The brain gets more tricked to click on it, or just using very basically edited thumbnail. This will literally help you to stand out and make the 75 hard 75 easy on YouTube. And I think I really want to do it, but I'm not sure. I have given myself a deadline of end of April, so I have like 120 to 140 days where I want to post 75 YouTube videos, because again, I'm traveling, so I cannot guarantee that I'll post every single time, but I'm definitely doing posting a little bit more. But if you're excited to do the 75 hard on YouTube, let me know in the comments. I'm going to post a video about 75 hard on Instagram, which I have done for years and years and years, and I would love to share with you my experience for it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch other videos and I'll see you soon. Bye.